Welcome back.
Welcome back. Today, we have a very special guest joining us, our dear friend and talented young artist, Ava. She's excited to draw with us, and we can't wait to see the creativity she brings to the table and create something amazing together. What do you want to draw today?
A Christmas ornament.
What a wonderful idea. Let's draw a Christmas ornament. Start drawing a wide curved line at the bottom of the page. On each side, let's draw the cheeks, star from about here, and draw the letter W. Very good. Let's do the same on the other side. Now it is time to draw the ears. This is more like a letter V inverted. Add the middle line. Very good. Let's do the same on the other side. Start about here. And connect this two lines. Now add the third line for the ear, and that's it. Let me give you a hand. You're doing great. Well done. From the base of the ears, add two short lines. Let's sketch the hanging device for our ornament. If you want me to help, please say so. At the center of our ornament, let's draw the snout. Now draw a vertical line just below the nose and a big smile. Very good. Add two small curved lines for the eyes. And let's add some whiskers too. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.